76 Streets.
Yeah, we're there in a straight boost camp once again. Do a small review of the Evo 9 Watt. Yeah. Doing some R&D. So God. Yeah, the king himself.
Yeah.
Tell me look a bit boy set up now.
Well, you know, everything done in house. Full headworks. Full port and polish in house same way. You know. Some cams now till an hour. Some Myvec work, some custom work done to the Myvec valve shapes. But basically the focus was on the cylinder head and the turbo. Yeah, decent turbo. Aiming for the 650 bracket.
Wheel or spot.
Every day, day to day.
You hear that?
Yeah.
650 to the wheels.